Congratulations! You're inside the iHub app builder for your hub. This video will teach you the first steps of getting started within your iHub app builder. Note that I have the highest user permission level called an owner, so I have full access to all areas of the builder. If your dashboard looks different and you don't have some of the options we talk about, please contact your organization's administrator to make sure you're in the correct user role. So let's jump in. Here's how it works. Create the different types of posts and sliders here. All content allows you to view the content in the hub chronologically by publish date. Moderate. Here is where you will moderate comments and review, edit, and publish user-submitted content. Channels and users. Here is where you'll manage your channels and users that join your hub. Pretty great name for this section, right? Create is where you will create content for your hub. So let's start here. Then you can explore the rest when you feel comfortable. Select Add Content. Let's add a new post. First, you need to determine in which channel or channels you want this post to appear. Home means it will show up on the main news feed and be visible to everyone. Selecting another channel means it will show up in that channel and only appear on the home page if a user has joined that channel. The icon next to the channel name shows you if it's a public, private, or request to join channel. Next, select the image or video to be used for the post. If you can publish content, you also have the ability to embed something within this section. You can embed anything from a calendar to a PowerPoint presentation. If you have an embed code, it can go here. If you don't add an image, video, or custom embed with image, a default image is created from the post title. Next, choose what label you want this post to have. Labels help your users filter content within the home or channel feed. If you don't see a label that suitably defines your post, just select No Label. These post labels can be created or edited at any time by a builder administrator in the Post Label section. Use the Body section to write your engaging post. Use the editing toolbar to add a table, file, video, or font headers to your post. Check out the Editor Tips and Tricks video to see what different options you have within this section. Once you have your main content created, scroll down to view more post options. You can schedule the post to go live on a different date and time, change who appears as the author, choose to include this post in a newsletter that is sent to your users, send a notification for this post when publishing, and choose whether or not people can add comments to this post. If you select the Add Module button, you can see additional items or modules that you can add onto your post. If your module list looks different, you may not have access to all the modules available for the iHub app. To add a certain module to your iHub app subscription, email support@inspirehub.com. Want to add a photo album? Simply hit Add to upload your photos. Let's say you want to add a map to your post so that users know where these pictures were taken, or because you need to add directions to accompany your post. Once again, select Add Module, then Add Map Location. Search for your location on the map here. Perfect. You can arrange the module order by selecting the gray header and dragging it where you want it. To delete a module, select the trash can. To view the other modules and how to use them, go to the video specific to that module. Links below. Once you have created your post with the appropriate modules and everything looks good, select Create. Your post isn't live on the hub until you hit Publish. View the post you created in the hub by selecting the post title. See something you want to change? Select the edit icon. You can even create a brand new post wherever you see the plus icon if you don't want to go back to the builder. If you found a link online that you want to quickly share within your hub, use the Post from Link feature. Just keep in mind that anything you have in this post prior to doing this will be overwritten, so it's best to create a post from link straight from a blank post. When you create a new post, look for the Post from Link button here. Select it. From here, you'll be able to add the link of an article you found online or any other external URL page you would like to share. You'll notice that many of the details from the Sites page will automatically populate your post. You can either save and publish your post as is or add more content to it. Let's take a look at what this would look like. Nice! And that's it. Happy building!